Hi guys, how are you? Today our topic is jeans reuse. You can use for sleepers, softies, and sandals. Jeans, all jeans. Uh, you can use. You can watching the on the screen. You can old jeans use for sandals. Easy and simple way to you can use at home. You see the softies made by jeans, old jeans. See the beautiful, mm, easy and simple type of uh, made by jeans. You are watching on the screen sandals made by jeans, old jeans, the softies, old jeans make you can make at home. The shoes you are watching on the screen it made of jeans. The sleepers made by jeans, old jeans. You are watching the another pair of sleepers. They are made by the old jeans. The softies you are watching on the screen. This is the another sandals, beautiful and design you are watching on the screen. How to use old jeans. The another sandals design you are watching on the screen, made by jeans. Another classical design, wonderful, beautiful design. Another softies you are watching the made by old jeans. Another sandals, strap by strap you are watching on screen. Another softies you are watching the old clothes. uh, you are watching another sandals, mm, and another softies you are watching the made by the old jeans. Another sandals long heel you are watching made by the jeans. Another sandals, old jeans. mm, Another sandals you are watching the mm, old jeans made by the hand. You are made at home, easy and simple way. Recycle old clothes, and the beautiful jeans. uh, Another sandals you are watching on the screen. Simple and easy way. The shoes you are watching with flower. Another sandals you are watching the beautiful step. Another sandals you are watching beautiful blue